Okay, here's an updated video, so the sound will be a little bit better than my last one. Alright, so just cold started before I heard the noise, pulled in the garage. Here you go. This is what I'm hearing, and then I'll put the camera over on the other side. But definitely hear it now. There you go. I'll rev it. So, if anyone could help me figure out what is making that annoying clank. Like I said, it goes away sometimes, but thanks in advance.